This is a low back spine strengthening program. This is something you want to do every single day. It's all about consistency because consistency builds habits and habits build health. This is transverse abdominis bracing. So what we're doing is we're going to be working on all these muscles that go across the abs. So it's a very simple movement, but we're going to be pushing our belly button straight back into our spine and holding that for a few seconds. Not much to see, but essentially it's bracing back, hold a few seconds, and then relaxing. You can do this while you're standing in line at the grocery store or anywhere you might be, or you can also do this while you're laying in bed. So you're going to brace, hold, and relax, 10 to 15 repetitions. This is called a bird dog reach, where we're going to be on our hands and our knees, and we are going to elevate our right arm, left leg at the same time. We're going to hold that for a count of 3 and relax that right back down. And then we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. It's all about slow, controlled movement. This is the modified plank, where you want to be straight as a board, neutral head, and you can start from your elbows and your knees, and then you can shift up to your hands. And again, you want to stay nice and straight from head all the way down to your knees. Modified plank. This is a hip hinge that you can do 6 inches from the wall. You're going to stand, you're going to keep your knees soft so that they're not hyperextended, and you're going to bend forward at your waist while you're maintaining your lumbar curve. You're going to get the feedback by hitting the wall, and then you're going to gently return back to normal. And we're going to repeat that for 10 to 15 repetitions. This is called a side plank, and this is building the oblique muscles on the side of your abdomen. So you're going to press straight up into the air. You can hold that for anywhere between 5 to 30 seconds, and then you're going to relax slowly back down, and then you can repeat that. So you could either hold for just a few seconds, or you could hold it for up to 60 seconds in order to build those obliques. Make sure we stay balanced and do it on both sides. 90-90 is a great stretch for the hips. It allows you to open up your hips. You can even press the hip down into the ground in order to open it up. And then we simply would just switch to the other side and do the same exact thing, pressing the top hip down into the ground. This is great to open up the hip flexors, open up your adductors, and help your hips feel very good and healthy. Foam rolling is extremely effective at opening up the thoracic and the lumbar spine. We're going to place the device right at the middle of the thoracic to lumbar spine, and we're going to allow the body weight to simply fall over top of that, and then we can move until our shoulders touch, and then we can move all the way back down through the spine, through the thoracic spine. If you feel the need to, you can find a particular area, and you can just do nice and gentle rolls through that particular area to release that tension. And again, you can shift your body to either side, find a particular area where there's tension, and you can release that. A little goes a long way. It's not necessarily about creating pain, it's just about releasing tension and allowing your body to fall back into its balanced state.